Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a little hack for doing a colored ombre. And this is like a super easy hack. It's a lot better for your wallet because instead of using a colored polygel for the tip color, we're just going to be using a gel polish. And gel polishes, I mean, you can get a single gel polish for like $5, or you can get like a set of them, which is a lot cheaper if you get them in bundles. But compared to if you're just buying a single one, you can get a single one for like $5, or you could get a single tube of polygel for like 15. So it's a lot cheaper and it gives you a lot more options with colors. So I will be showing you guys how I do that. I'm just gluing on my tips with some base coat and my portable LED flashlight. I've got my tips cut down and filed and shaped. I'm just showing you guys that to shape these how I like them, I take some straight edge nail clippers and I clip the sides of them to make sure there's no overhang. And I do that on both sides of the nail tip just to make sure it fits my nail perfectly. Now I'm just going to go in with my base coat and cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so let's get on with this hack. I'm using a beautiful baby blue gel polish. It's a Gershon polish in the shade S007. And I'm just going to be painting the tips of my nails. So I'm going to be covering the whole nail tip and then just a little bit on my nail bed area. And I am going to be doing one coat of this, curing it for a full 60 seconds, and then doing a second coat and curing that for a full 60 seconds. So this is what they should look like after you've applied your colored polish. I'm going in with the Macart Polygel in the shade Daydream, and I'm just going to do the nail bed shade with this. I did my index finger as just like a practice off camera, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this. This is very similar to my how to do ombre with the Betsy Polygel kit. So I'm just patting it into my cuticle area, and then as I drag it down the nail, I'm applying more pressure. If you want a more detailed video on how to do the actual blend of the ombre, definitely check out my other video, the how to ombre with the Betsy kit. So on most of these nails, I did end up applying too much of the nail bed shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my cuticle stick and I'm just going to cut off the extra, and it's going to form a straight line. But as you'll see, I'm going to go back in with my polygel brush and just keep blending it out. Once I'm pretty much satisfied with how my blend looks, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to move on to my other nails. I'm going to let you guys watch this. I'm not going to talk too much through it. Again, if you want a more detailed description on how to achieve this and how to get the perfect blend, then definitely check out my other video. I will leave it linked in the description box below. So once I finish with my blend application, I'm going to go on to the clear encapsulation of this. As you guys probably know by now, you have to encapsulate any sort of ombre, whether you're doing it with gel, acrylic, gel polish. You have to encapsulate it no matter what, otherwise you will file away your blend when you're buffing the surface of the nail. So I'm just going in with the Model 1's clear polygel. This is honestly my favorite clear polygel that I've ever worked with. It's not sticky at all. It's like the perfect like malleability. So what I'm doing is I'm focusing this on the tip where there's no structure yet. Because with the nail bed color, I've built up the apex, but I gotta even out the rest of the nail with the clear. So I'm going to be focusing it on the tip and then blending it up towards the nail bed color. So again, guys, I'm not going to talk through this. I just want you guys to be able to relax and watch this without having to listen to me talk. So I'm going to do all of the rest of my nails with the clear encapsulation, and then I'll be back for the filing. My clear encapsulation is complete, so I am completely done building these nails. I'm going to wipe the tacky layer off with rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to go in with a 100-180 grit hand file and do all of my shaping and filing with this. I'm not using a drill or anything, just my hand file, and then I'm also using a buffer once I'm done with my hand file to really get the nails as smooth as possible. Filed, shaped, and buffed, this is what we're looking like. They're looking beautiful already. I'm going to go in with my Beetles gel top coat. Again, this is my favorite top coat. You guys probably know that by now. So I'm just doing a good layer of this, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then I will show you guys the finished result. I was going to do some sort of rhinestones or design on these, but then once I put the top coat on, I really just was in love with the way they looked. They were so basic, but also different at the same time. So I decided to do no designs and just top coat these. So this is how the nails ended up turning out. I am absolutely in love with these. I'm so proud of myself because I'm not an expert on ombre nails by any means, but I'm so proud with how these nails turned out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely see you guys again soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!